Hi there everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our beginners solo jive practice routine 1A. So this was taught in week 1 of the 4-week intensive beginners solo jive course in May and June of 2023. We did a previous solo beginners jive, I think it was 2020, so this is the second course, so just restarting again. So the routines are labelled A, B, C, D because they will be very similar to the first 4 routines that we did. So rather than additionally label them as routine 8, 9, 10, which would give the impression that they were harder than the earlier ones. Now they're not. So anything with 1A, B, C, D is going to be very, very early entry level. Routine 2, A, B, C, D, a little bit more, but just variations from the original first set of routines we did. So there we go. This is routine 1A. I'm going to face the front. We started with our right foot and we did tap steps on the spot for 8. That's 5, 6, 7 and 8. We then did the toe heel rocks. Toe heel, toe heel, toe heel, toe heel, again for 8. And you could click the fingers. Okay? Later on, if you feel like it, you could go a little bit lower with your toe heel rocks, but that's up to you how much flavour you put in. We then went for a little walk, right foot to walk to the left, toe, heel, back, rock, toe, heel, toe, heel, back, rock. We did this 4 times from side to side. Last one. We then did the 8 count basic. So this is specifically for our solo practice, which is back, rock, trip, pause, step, back, rock, trip, pause, step, back, rock, trip, pause, step, back, rock. 4 times. That's the 3rd. This is the 4th. Okay, the next step was little flick steps, and I talked about the flick and the retraction on the way in, and pointing the toes and turning the arch of the foot slightly towards the ceiling, and a flick. Now I was facing the front, and we did those for 8, and then we did the knee flicks. So that was knee, flick, 8 of those. Knee, flick. And I'm just bouncing the toe of the foot onto the floor after the knee. So knee, tap, out, together. Knee, tap, out, together. Knee, tap, out, together. Knee, tap, out, together. Don't forget you can add swings of the arms when you're doing the flicks. You can add up and out. I quite like this one if you want to get energetic on the knee flicks. And with the tap steps, tap, step, again clicking of the fingers, you can add some little bounce in. That was your flavour. So first move was tap steps on the spot. Second move was the toe heel rocks, big swing of the arms. The third one was walking side to side with a little back rock. Then we had the 8 count basic. Then we had what did I say? Oh, the flick steps, and then we had the knee flicks, okay? So that is beginners solo routine 1A. As you know, I record these without the music because I do put them up onto YouTube later on, and YouTube doesn't like it when I use music because it gives you a copyright strike. So just doing this without the music. Hope that's been useful. 1A of our beginners solo jive, the 4-week course from May and June 2023. I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.